How do you describe a car which is unlike any of its predecessors? A few years back, when someone said Tata and Land Rover in same line, we would assume it is about Tata acquiring Land Rover. But it completely changed in 2019 when Tata launched the Harrier. But let us talk about Tata a bit more. Tata is an old company getting young. Confusing, isn't it? From Indica to Tiago or Sierra to Harrier, the company has done a lot while keeping Indian customers in mind. But there is something about Harrier that just doesn't go along the lines of Tata. The company is famous for unreliable cars, especially the smaller ones. But while their SUVs had similar problems, people ignored the reliability for the sake of capabilities. Like Sierra had appeal, the Sumo was a carrier, Safari meant breaking free from life, and Hexa was an all-rounder. However, with all the capabilities, Tata's SUV were less of a hit and more of a miss. Tata really needed an impact, and that impact gave us undoubtedly the best looking full-size two-wheel drive SUV. Now, some people might argue that only four-wheel drive cars are real SUVs. Statistically, any showroom will tell you that even if a particular SUV has four-wheel drive variant, some two-wheel drive model is the most selling. In fact, no letter from SUV indicates number of wheel. SUVs are utility vehicles and Harrier does it just like any other car. Absolutely fine. But all this groundwork has never come together before until now. Harrier is the most intimidating car India has ever made. Let's take it off for a spin. The Xenon HID headlamps with DRL at front adds to the carnivorous appeal. While the black accent connecting both the tail lamp with clean LEDs give car the mean look. All of this along with sloping roofline and massive tires give Harrier its beautiful stance. But that's not all. The inside treats you with leatherette wherever possible. Steering, gear lever, grab rails, doors, seats, and even the dash top feels like leather. While the standard edition gets premium oak brown forward inserts, dark edition gets blackstone matrix and gunmetal grey treatment. And they don't just look good but feel good as well. The buttons, the levers and latches speaks volume for themselves. There is one thing Tata can never leave out of equation while making a car, space, and it's here. But yes, this is unlike any Tata car I have been into. Quality levels are so good and design just makes me feel this thing is something else. One thing is for sure is that the new generation impact design has given Tata cars a new life and a new soul if you take looks and performance into account. Harrier truly is the most SUV two-wheel drive car we have in India. The wide stance of car translates to impeccable straight line stability, while the Land Rover DNA blesses it with cornering capabilities so good that it just triumphs over XUV and Hector. Combine it with traction control and drive or terrain modes, this easily becomes the most capable front-wheel drive vehicle. Let's not talk numbers but modes. Eco, Sport, City, Wet and Rough. While the City mode is shared, Eco and Sport give you different highway manners and Wet or Rough aid you in such terrain. Step on the accelerator and let the City mode reward you in city with excellent drivability and control power. Once on highway, Press Eco and let the car munch miles after miles economically with cruise control, or add fun to your drive by switching to sports mode. But there's more to Harrier than meets the eye. The wet mode gives superb traction on slippery road, while rough road mode locks both wheels for exceptional terrain contour. And while we do not count Tata into premium brands, Harrier offers quality of a Kia, punch of a Fiat, driving manners of a Land Rover, and strength of a Tata. This assuredly is a global SUV, and if we think about it, Tata just leaped years ahead of itself. Maybe the sales or service is still a weak point, but it is time we realize Tata is moving in right direction. Now it is up to us we support vocal for local or not. After all, Atmanirbharta comes from within. The Harrier is a phenomenal car from Tata Motors. And it is not just Harrier, every car that follows impact design philosophy feels like a game changer. These new smashing and promising Tata cars deliver up to the hype, doesn't matter small or large. People often compare a small car with a big one or slow car with a fast one. But do you know what I believe? Every car is significant, every car has a story, every car is a story. Thank you for watching.